But right now, I want to talk about what Ed Garden is up to. Our viewers, of course, may recall he was Trian Fund's founding partner, former CIO, now leading a family office called Garden Investments. Ed, good to have you.
Good to be here. Thanks for having me.
You're welcome. We typically do this every year. I'm glad we could continue to. But you're no longer at Trian. Why did you leave?
Look, I think it was just time for me to pursue the next chapter, and I'm excited about that. But I have to tell you, walking around this conference, which is the activist conference, it's amazing for me to think about 20 years ago when we were starting Trian. The term activism didn't even exist, right? I'd never heard it when we were starting Trian. And I think, I didn't realize it at the time, but we were pioneering an asset class.
You were. You were in many ways. Although you're the youngster over at Trian, or were. I mean, no offense to Nelson Peltz and Peter May, but again, sort of generationally, it would seem like you were the one ready to take over, and you were running the firm anyway, I should point out. But why not stay while the old guys retire?
Look, I think for me, I was just at the point in my life and career where I wanted to do my own thing. And Nelson and Peter are both very engaged, going out with their boots on, so to speak. So it was the right thing to do. But just finishing up on my last thought, it's amazing how this industry evolved, right? And I thought of it back then as reimagining the role of the public shareholder. When I was running an equity capital markets desk in the 90s, the way the world worked was if you were an institutional shareholder in a public company and you didn't like what was happening, your only option was to sell. Think about that, right? Think of how wrong that is. And so what we really did was galvanize the other owners around a point of view on the company. We brought world-class work product. We brought more capital, and it's really exciting to see how the industry's grown.
All right. So to the extent that you've been part of the evolution of activism, what now? You've got this family office. Is this where it's going to stay? Are you going to raise outside capital? What's your plan?
So my goal is to compound my capital, have fun doing it, and hopefully be innovative and creative doing it. And
what does that mean?
Well, I think that plain vanilla activism has become crowded, right? How many activists were in Salesforce.com, right? I think it's become
every week it was a new one.
Bit commoditized. So the question for me and my team is, how can we take the activist skill set and those experiences and innovate and take it to the next level? I've hired, I had two former partners at Trian who have joined me, Brian Jacoby and Chad Fauser, which I'm thrilled about. And so our challenge is to figure out how to differentiate and innovate. And so, as an example, I think you're seeing the convergence between activism and private equity, right? You're seeing Elliott now take companies private, right? And you're also seeing private equity firms take stakes in public companies, right? Leonard Green took a stake in.
Not sure they're that good at public investing, but yes, it is happening.
You're seeing this convergence, but there's a reason that it makes sense. So if I own 10, 15, 20% of a public company, and I'm on the inside, and I'm on the board, I now have an information advantage. I know the good and the bad. I also have a relationship advantage with the management team. If the market presents an opportunity to take the ownership to 100%, right, I have information advantage, relationship advantage, and a value advantage, a price advantage, because I own such a big slug unaffected. So there's a lot of merit to that model, and we'll see how that evolves.